Hey, good morning, gang. Well, welcome to another bald eagle fishing adventure. Hey, it's Friday, September 24th, I think. I lose track of time, but late September. Anyways, it's about early start. I don't have no idea exactly even what time I got here, but still, dark 30. Anyways, going out for kind of a potluck day. We're going to start with salmon first, solo trip for me, and we'll see what that ends up turning out. But we're going to start with salmon and then give that maybe a couple hours, and then I'm going to switch over and start going after lingcod and rockfish. So, anyways, hey, stay tuned with me and let's see what we put on board today. All right, I'll see you guys out at the fishing grounds. Oh yeah, dude, that's a huge canary. There we go. It's a nice canary. We'll take that all day long. Another canary. Nice one. There we go. Well, it doesn't feel very big. What else is we got here? Oh yeah, nice one. That's a nice one. Yuck. Jellyfish. Oh, the one fish you don't want. Yep. Nasty. Nasty, nasty. Get off the boat. Nobody wants you on the boat. Alright. Get down there again. I love finding new places out on the ocean I haven't fished before and loaded with fish. You know, it doesn't happen often, but sometimes a blind squirrel finds a frickin' nut. So you just never know. We found him again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! There we go. Oh yeah, this is a good one. It's either a good one or two of them. It's a good fight to it though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. Look at this puppy. Look at that, guys. That's a nice fish right there. Hot damn, son. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Yep, nice old canary. This is the canary. This is the area for canaries. Oh, I'm right. How about that? Yeah, that's a nice fish. Area for the canaries. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's another good one. Oh yeah. Holy moly. I have found the honey hole. Woo! Yeah. Nice. Boy, they're eating too, man. Once you find right exactly where they're at, it is on like Donkey Kong. No kidding. Well, hey, listen, you know what? Fishing's fishing. And this is some good fishing. Oh yeah, this is a big one too. Oh yeah, another beauty. Look at the size of that puppy. Damn. I mean, man, we are getting some big boys today. Hot damn. Hey, chill. Oh yeah. Oh, this is some nice stuff right here. Come on now. There we go. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Man, cooler full of those, right, babe? Woo-hoo! And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 6. Damn, I think that's the biggest one so far. Oh, doubles. Wow. That's impressive. Let's send the little one back. Ooh, nice vermilion. That's a vermilion. That's a beauty. Look at that thing. Gorgeous. Man, what a color. Yeehaw! They come live. Well, it's number 9. Let's just get on down there. Plus I got weirdly hooked. Oh yeah, no, this is a nice one. Oh yes. That's a really good puppy. Yes. Wow. Look at that puppy, guys. Man, that is a beauty. That's a nice vermilion. That's got to be 5-6 pounds, man. I'd say probably about 5 pounds. Maybe 4 to 5 pounds. That's a nice fish. That is a beautiful fish. Oh, I got my number. I mean, I got some nice rockfish. Look at this. I'm so pleased of this area right here. It's about 155 feet right off of Elephant Rock. There's a nice reef out here. If you get a chance, you should really come and try fishing this area. Beautiful canaries, vermilions. What I was catching it on was, so anyways, I'm going to put this back in here. I'm going to actually, it's a little after 11. I'm going to have some lunch out here while I troll a little bit longer for salmon. Not really hearing anything, but we're going to give it a shot. Let me get the lure that I was using. So let me turn this cam off. So this is what they call a blue mackerel. I got this at Outdoor Pro Shop. Really a kind of a cool thing. I've been wanting to try this for a while, made by Pitbull Tackle. Anyways, pretty slick. That's what I caught pretty much all the fish on. So anyways, you might want to, pick up a couple of these things. I only got one, and then I got a diamond jig, but never really had to put the diamond jig on. This thing was killing it. So I'm going to go and pick up another one of these. And they had a green one there too, that had the mackerel look to it. And I think I'm going to pick that up as well. Great rockfish. I mean, obviously proof's in the pudding, right? Anyways, so that's what the rig is that I was using, and now we're gonna go back to doing some salmon and a little lunch, and then I'm gonna head in. So, anyways, we'll get back to it. Hey, gang. Well, it's 10 after 12, and I've had enough fishing for a day. Actually, it looks like Michelle and I are going to be out here tomorrow, so I'll have my lucky charm with me, it looks like we're going to be going for halibut tomorrow. So. Totally a different deal. And anyways, a lot of fun out here. Thank you for joining me again on another bald eagle fishing adventure. It's always fun. It's always an adventure. Man, I was really excited about the new spot today. That was great. That really produced nice. So anyways, thanks again to all of you. I appreciate you. And I'll see you on the next bald eagle fishing adventure, hopefully tomorrow. See you, gang.